Prince hot sauce.
All girls just wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. Oh shit. Hi. Didn't see you there. Would you like to eat some chilies? So, a few people have been asking why haven't I reviewed my own sauces. That's because I'm British and we don't like to toot our own horns. But I will. So, to start with, we're going to review the Bushfire sauce. This is the mildest one we make. And I've got to say, I mean, as we say, don't like to toot my own horn. This I freaking love. It's honestly, this is my go-to sauce for everything. It's my holster sauce. So whenever I go to a very fancy restaurant that's very fine dining, I make sure I bring my hot sauce and pour it all over, so the chefs get really happy. Yeah, they love it. So this is made from red hot cayennes and a few red jalapenos and a lot of garlic cloves, smoked for about, I think it was 8 hours we smoked them for, with hickory and cherry. Then we ferment them for a week. It comes up with this sauce. You can smell the smoke. It's not overpowering, but it's there. Very it smells like a smoky tomato sauce, really. That's what it smells like. But it is not made with any tomatoes. So, big dollop. As I say, this is the mildest one we make, so it's not going to be crazy. So, first of all, you hit with the smoke. It's got really, really strong umami flavour, using a secret ingredient, which you Aussies definitely know, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. The heat is there because there are a lot of chilies in this. It's sweet, and it reminds you of if you go to a smokehouse and get some really nice sticky slow cooked ribs. It's got that kind of American backyard barbecue type flavour. It's a 5 to 10 on the heat scale, so it does have a bit of burn, but it is not overpowering. And this is, as I say, when I'm at market stall, this is my cornflake sauce. I can do it all day long. I shall be doing the videos with the my other ones, Napalm Enema, which was the first sauce I ever made, which comes about because when I first came to Australia and found out you could grow reapers, scorpions, and ghosts in your back garden, I was overjoyed because you can't grow anything like that in England. Salsa de Sphincter Muertes, which is a dead sphincter sauce. This is our Mexican style, and then lastly we will be having our ladyboy sauce. My wife is half Thai, so I have permission. She wanted to call it Bangkok Burn or Angry Asan. Ladyboy sauce. Because there's a lady and a boy. That's the only reason. So, go to my website, www.princehotsauce.com. I'm pointing at nothing at the moment, but I will put a link in there later. And if you want to, go onto the Dad Project on YouTube. I'll put a link up here. And yeah, come see our projects. Peace. I'll see you later.